How to do Regen. This is freightliner Cascadia 2022. In order to do Regen successfully, you're gonna have to use this button right here and follow the dashboard. Those are the indicators. So you're gonna hear it right here. Scroll it right there to where is a box truck indicators, and it's go down below right here until you see suit level okay. So once you get right there where it says suit level, you hit okay right here. To start Regen, press okay. Boom. You see how the RPM is going up? Then sit back and relax. It's probably gonna take an hour or less than that. So just make yourself busy. Don't pay attention to it, you know? Yeah.